Okay, so I've got the toaster already apart. Hopefully you can figure that part out on your own just by undoing some screws. Then what you want to do is clean it out, dump it out, get all the crumbs out, use an air compressor, blow it out gently. And what you need to do, if the magnet is not holding, I had a problem with the electromagnetic here. These make contact, this one and this one, no problem. And I can get this side of the toaster to heat up, but it wouldn't hold it down. So when I pushed this down, it would make contact only if I held it down, and the magnet right there, the yellow coil, would not hold this little piece of metal on top. So what you need to do is to bend these back, and there's a little circle under there that you need to just grab a nail file, piece of sandpaper, sand that off, sand off the back of this metal tab, and then you can just bend them back so that they line up again. You can pull this spring up on the top if you want a little bit so that it makes contact. And you can plug it back in and then try it again, and now it holds down again by itself, no problem. And then reassemble.